Chiropractic care focuses on the spine and the nervous system. By using specific techniques, my care provides a gentle input to the system, helping the body heal and function the way it was really designed to. In my practice, I specialize in gentle, low-force instrument adjustments. This means that there's no cracking, no popping, no twisting. This approach allows me to be very specific and very precise while also keeping the experience comfortable for my patients. Many people actually come to see me specifically for this technique because they prefer this style of care. Now, because the force is so light, it's also a great option for people with fragile bones such as osteoporosis or other conditions where traditional adjustments may not feel appropriate. Even patients who've had spinal surgery can often be adjusted using this method because of how controlled and targeted the adjustment is. On the other hand, if more pressure is needed, the instrument allows me to easily customize the force to really match the patient's needs. I can also use the same method on other joints of the body, such as knees and shoulders and elbows. This care is really to improve movement, decrease pain, and give the nervous system a gentle input that supports the body's natural healing process. So if you're ready to begin, or if you have any further questions, simply contact us and we'll take the first step together.